Dear parents, good morning. Dr. Zafir with you from Jubail, Saudi Arabia. Let's answer some of your questions. So, welcome to this question answer sessions. A mother from Lahore, Pakistan. She is asking, when should I start fresh cow's milk to my baby? Fresh cow's milk is not recommended below 1 year of age. You can start fresh cow's milk after his first birthday if he is taking solid food at least 2 servings a day. A mother from Khobar, Saudi Arabia. When should I start giving water to my baby? This is a very common question most of the mothers they are asking for their newborn and very young baby, that when should they start giving water. Water is not recommended before 6 months of age. After the age of 6 months, you can start 1 to 2 ounce water after the feed, 1 to 2 times per day. A mother from Jubail, Saudi Arabia. My newborn baby is passing stool after every feed. What to do? Usually, newborn passes stool 6 to 7 times a day or after each feed. Nothing to worry if he is gaining weight normally and feeding well. A mother from Khobar, Saudi Arabia. When should I start giving solid food to my baby? Weaning or starting solid food. According to WHO, it should be when the baby is 6 months old. Gradual weaning is good for babies. Start with rice cerelac. A new mother from Hyderabad, India. Can I give honey to my newborn? Honey is not recommended before 6 months of age, so don't give honey to your newborn. A mother from Dhaka, Bangladesh. It's a very good question. Can I give fresh goat milk to my baby? Because in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, India, goat milk is also available. So the answer is fresh goat milk is not recommended for infants because it doesn't have enough iron, folate, vitamin C, D, B6, thiamine, niacin to meet an infant's nutritional need. But goat's milk formula, in the market you will get goat's milk modified formula, is great option for your youngster because it is fortified with essential nutrients. A mother from Cairo, Egypt. My newborn baby is passing stool every 2 to 3 days. He is feeding well, and this mother is thinking that her baby is constipated. Every baby is different. Some baby passes stool 5 to 7 times per day, some every 2 to 3 days. These are normal variations, so don't worry. A mother from Toronto, Canada. How will I know that my baby is taking sufficient breast milk? A well-hydrated baby wets his diapers 6 times a day or minimum 4 diapers a day. If it is less than 4 diapers wet, this means his fluid intake is less. In this condition, increase his feed both in quantity and frequency. This question is from a mother, Bombay, India. I found my newborn baby girl's diaper is red stained and she has little blood at her vagina. In the early newborn period, girls are having some blood stained diaper or little blood stained at vagina. This is because the maternal hormone which is crossed the placenta is still circulating in the baby and giving withdrawal bleeding. So don't worry, in a couple of days or weeks it will go away. Another mother from Toronto, Canada. I am a working mother. How long can I keep expressed breast milk on the room temperature or in the refrigerator? That means she is very keen to give breast milk. She is working lady and she wants to express the breast milk and want to keep for next feed. So remember the rule of force. It is very easy to remember. Rule of force. 4 hours at room temperature and 4 days in the refrigerator, you can safely keep the breast milk. A mother from Hyderabad, Pakistan. This is very interesting questions, and this has been asked by other mothers also. Doctor, this is mango season. Yes. Can I give mango milkshake to my 4 months old baby? This is her question. Well, madam, mango milkshake is good for you and your husband, but not suitable for a 4 months old baby. Continue breastfeeding to your baby. If you have a mango farm, send few boxes to me. Dear parents, if you feel that this is an informative video, please subscribe and share. Stay blessed. Thank you.